to Mustad tips and tricks. We have a horse here with a lateral deviation from our knee. We're going to make some modifications to the shoe to help with the associated hoof capsule distortion. First stage is to take my fuller and just follow on the line of the thorn in the shoe as far back as possible. Then add a second line. That stage one's massively increased the surface area of the medial side. The next stage is to concave the lateral side to allow it to sink into the surface. You just want to cut a very small amount, of just a few millimetres. At a little level. Just finish that off with a file. Okay, so the end result is a shoe with a narrower surface area on the lateral side and a wider, broader surface area on the medial side to allow the lateral side to sink into the surface and the medial side to stay on top of the arena surface to help with the associated hoof capsule distortion.